Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, NEM coin, running up to our major cluster area right around this 112, 113 area. So those targets are all hit, pulling back to the both flat moving averages. Like in some of the other ones, we do have a potential double top here if it does get a close below this point, what is that, 0.924752 level. Then we're watching for a first target of about 0.83, which is just below the 50% retracement from this up move. And then the next target is 78.29. Then the final target forms a nice cluster with a GAN level coming in about 73.564.7. To the upside, if we can get back above about the 114 level, and then we'll be watching for, that'll take a lot of things out of the way, and we'll show you on the daily chart, but that will take us to about the 118.66, and then a major level coming in at this 125 area where we have a GAN projection from the lows on the 17th, not these lows, but from these lows up to the most recent highs, and it gives us a really nice cluster with a prior breakdown zone from the daily. So let's switch over to the daily, see how we got that. That's right here coming off this key close. This was very key support, tested here, rallied up, tested, and then broke through with that big candle. Now, the declining 8's right around that 113.50. That's why we'll be watching for the 114 level, and then that will hit the first target, will line up really nice at this point with the 21 EMA should this trigger in the next little while. And then you see the next cluster up coming to this major breakdown zone. So that's what we're watching for, both the upper and lower on NEM. Switching over to Litecoin, again, same story. We've seen this in so many of the cryptos right now. These sloppy double tops or valid double tops, all forming, it's like the same algos are trading these things. And they may very well be driving the price around. Now, the first target to this on a close below 180.51 would be 168.35, which would take us between the GAN key support levels 171 to 162. The next target actually lines up with the bottom of that GAN. So that's 162, right around, we can just call it right around 162.60 is going to be a very key level should we trade down. And then if that is broken, 156.20 to the downside. To the upside, we have a potential trend line trade. This one's a little tricky. We'd be actually watching for a close, not just above the defining point, but above this 204.82 level. You do have the 50 period in there, so there's going to be a little resistance. Hopefully, before this triggers, the 50 keeps declining. And then if this were to trigger, the 50 would be out of the way. Then we'd be looking for 213, then 221 to the upside. Let's take a look at the daily, see how that fits in. See, we also, why we want this right around above this 204, 205 level is because we got the 8 EMA there too. We had to close above that. We then have the 50-day also coming in at 210, so you're going to want to keep an eye on that. But both targets reside within the rotation zone, with the second target just coming right now in front of the 21. This is also a very key breakdown zone and a GAN level at this 224, so that's going to be very key. 221 to 224 is going to be key should we break to the upside. That's definitely a level we'd be looking to take something off, or at least move up stops for everybody, because this could easily then rotate back down. But those are both your short-term to the upside and downside levels in Litecoin. Again, thanks to everybody who's been doing the extra viewing of our videos, everybody who's a subscriber and commenting and helping our channel grow. Thanks to all of you. We will talk to you shortly. Bye for now.